Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to go through 3 simple exercises that you can do to start getting rid of that shoulder impingement. Shoulder impingement is going to be that pinching pain as you bring your arm up overhead or out to the side, and it's usually going to be on the top of the shoulder. Now, before you start doing any strengthening exercises or any work with a band, make sure that you do our thoracic foam roller series because you want to open up the chest, create as much space in that shoulder joint as you can before you go and start working it out. Right? So if you're starting here, then you're not going to have room to lift the arms up overhead. You want to use that foam roller series to bring yourself upright, give that shoulder joint a lot of room, and then you can go ahead and get started with this series. So I'm going to use a TheraBand. You want to go anywhere from light to medium. Always start with the lightest one, and then you can work your way up. I don't expect you to have these fancy door hinges put in, or these fancy hinges put into your wall at home. So you can just weave it through a door hinge. You can use the top one or the middle one. You might need to get a ladder to get up onto that top one, but you're going to put it through the door, weave it through, close the door, and make sure that you have 2 strips of the strap to hold on to. So to get started, I'm going to hook it up to this middle hinge right here. And we're going to work on some shoulder extensions. So we're going to go for 10 repetitions, grabbing onto that TheraBand so that the palms are actually going to stay facing forward towards wherever you have that band anchored. Slight bend in the knees, belly button drawn in towards the spine. And with every repetition, you're going to pull that band back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and nice, slow and controlled movement in both directions when you're pulling back and when you're coming back to rest. So the goal here is more than just arm movement, but scapular mobility. So you're mobilizing those shoulder blades with every repetition, and you're focusing on your form. Shoulders are staying down, back, and away from the ears. 4 more repetitions here for 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slowly let go of the band. And then we're going to go into some bent over Ys and Ts. So you're going to try and get your body so that it's parallel to the floor, slight bend in the knees, and then your forehead is also going to be parallel to the floor. Thumbs facing up, you're going to come up into that Y position first, hold it for just a moment, slowly take it down, and then come out to the side. We're going to go for 10 reps like this again. It's more than just the arm movement, it's the engagement of the muscles surrounding the shoulder blade. Every time that you're taking it up, you're going and working in that pain-free range. So we're not pushing through the shoulder impingement. We're working in the room that we have available. Right now, we're trying to activate that middle and lower trap so that when you do go to lift the arms up overhead, you have the proper muscle activation to do it, and there's no pinching symptoms in the shoulder. 5 more in each direction for 5. Notice how slow and controlled I'm doing. I'm focusing on that scapular mobility. 4, 3, 2, and last one. If you have a hard time due to back pain, kind of bending over in that position, you can use a countertop or a bed surface, something where you can lean one arm and then you'll do one arm at a time. But if you're able to keep that core engaged, belly button drawn in towards the spine, then I challenge you to do both arms at the same time like we're doing here and now. Going in for round 2, we're going to go for 3 total. Grabbing that band, palms facing forward, slight bend in the knees, belly button drawn in towards the spine for 10. Again, slow with control. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Slow and controlled, let the band come back. Let go of those straps, and then I'm going to show you the next round from the front. So we're hinging at the hips, slight bend in the knees, belly button drawn in towards the spine. Take those arms up, thumbs towards the ceiling. Out by your sides, squeezing those shoulder blades, working in your pain-free, available range of motion. Good. For 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and remember yours might not look like mine, they might not go as high, and that's totally okay. 10, if you can only make it halfway, move halfway, meet your body where it's at, and then work your way into that full range. Third and final round here, so go ahead, grab that strap again for the last time, palms facing forward, slight bend in the knees, belly button drawn in, and then pull the straps back, engage those shoulder blades. For 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good, last round of those I's and T's. Bend it over, belly button drawn in towards the spine, thumbs facing up towards the ceiling for 10. Out to the side. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, last 3, 2, last 1. Good, so you should feel those muscles around the shoulder blades getting a little bit tired. Rehab exercises are different than your regular exercises. We're focusing on specific muscles. We're focusing on mobility, stability. We're not just throwing the arms up or throwing the band back. That slow, controlled movement is rehab-based exercises. So go ahead, get started with those. Start with that foam roller series and get your body in a better alignment, and let me know how it goes.